try it. It's a full-size gun, so you have better hand grips on it. And the thing of it, your hands are hurting because you have to have a firmer grip to control it. Hi, honey. 14. Yep. 14. Same concept as the other one. Same exact concept. Yes, ma'am. Exactly. Perfect. Make sure it's just like you ever milk the cow? Yeah, like gripping the udder on this side, same thing. So you grip both sides of your hand on the gun, and that's it. You control the gun. You're good to go. Lean your upper body forward a little bit. There you go. That's pretty socks. Oh. Huh? Will the trigger nothing happen? Okay, there we go. Yep. Just squeeze. When you get on the trigger, just squeeze it. Just squeeze it straight to the rear. This trigger. Okay. Push straight to the rear. Should I do a couple of times? You're getting used to it. Don't worry. Do you have any 9mm bullets? Why you throw my gun down? Oh, thanks, honey.
That's all I brought.
That's fine. I'll shoot a couple rounds with the Sphinx.